Hello everyone, my name is Rahil Kagdi and I recently appeared for the IELTS exam. My result came out a few days ago and I'm pleased to inform that I scored 8 bands overall, and I was really very happy when I learnt about the result. I would like to share my journey about how I was able to achieve this score for the classes for around 2 months, and I would like to say that I did not get a chance to appear for any offline classes. I had to do entirely online, and even then I managed to get this score largely due to the help of the agency. And I think that the reason behind that was the response from Career Quiz was really very great, and I was because everything they teach here is from scratch, and for IELTS it is required that you know the basics. And in the entire 2 months journey that I had with Career Quiz regarding my IELTS, I was learning something every day in my classes. And many people are quite afraid about online classes, and they are apprehensive if they will be able to achieve the band score that they desire. But I'd like to say it is entirely possible. I was able to achieve it myself, and I was quite shocked initially, but then I was very happy. I'd like to share about the individual scores that I got in IELTS, and how I'd like to share my personal tips for people so that you can implement these tips, and I think they worked out really well for me. So I think that it should work out for many people. My individual band score was: in listening I got 9 bands, in reading I got 8.5 bands, in writing and speaking I got 7.5 bands. And for listening, what I would like to say is, in order to be more acquainted with how the listening part of the test is conducted, I suggest that you keep on listening to the news, to English news channels. I suggest that you keep on practicing the tests given, and people think that it is not wise to repeat the test, but I should say that repeating and practicing the same test is quite effective. It will help you learn your errors that you made in the first place. So for listening, I will say practice is the only key. For reading section, I will say that reading different types of media in forms of books, novels or newspapers is quite helpful, and I personally read more and more newspapers and books, which is why I got the grip for achieving this 8.5 bands in reading. For speaking section, I'll say that what is most essential is keeping your confidence. It is required that you are confident while you are speaking, and I think that is the most important part for speaking. So you should be confident and do not hesitate in whatever you are speaking. For the writing section, I'll say that the most important part again is practice, because writing contains a variety of questions. So until and unless you have not covered all types of questions, it will not be able to work out. So I should say that writing should be done on regular basis, because only on a regular basis will you be able to correct yourself. And I think that these are the tips that helped me a lot, and I'll recommend Career Quiz to any other person who wants to appear for the IELTS exam, because I think the response was really very great, and I'm completely satisfied with the consultancy's process.